This is a story about experience. It says who we are, where we come from. It pushes us always to reinvent ourselves. Robustness has forged our character to ensure we create strong and reliable tools. Trust ourselves and trust others. Never give up. Be out in the field next to our customers. From the first contact to the open road, we are alongside to meet their needs. Here, there, and everywhere, always at the right time. Our relationships are built to last. We take responsibility for keeping their trucks on the road. This is our mission. Every day we deliver so our customers can keep their promises. Renault trucks deliver.